Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. I'm back with a fun tutorial. Today I'm sharing how you can create cards with the Cutaway cards by Cricut and the Cricut card mat. So let's get started. We're going to start this project by opening Cricut Design Space and we're going to search Cutaway cards. We're looking for the vertical design, this one here, and what we're going to do is make sure we select 4.25 inches by 5.5 inches, which is the size of the card that we're using. Next, we're going to notice that in our canvas we have this pink outline, which is the template. We're going to search Mother's Day images to insert into our template. I'm looking for an image that will look good for the draw and cut feature. I like this one here. This will work perfectly. So what we're going to do is just put that into our template, size it and center it onto the design guide. Once we have it the size that we want, we're going to go ahead and duplicate the image. Using the contour tool, we're going to go ahead and deselect anything that we do not want to have cut. We're going to just cut the mother's text here. I also want to have the little two hearts cut out, so I'm going to go ahead and just select the inner heart there. I'm just moving this out of the way so that I can go ahead and do the same thing with the contour tool. What I'm going to do now is deselect anything that we have cut and leave the image that we want to have drawn. Next, we're just going to go ahead and make sure we have both images selected for the right tool. One we're going to do is the basic cut for the mother's text. So that looks good. Next, we're going to select the other image that has the happy day, and we want to make sure that the happy day is selected as a pen. And we'll do that here, and then we're going to select marker because I use the black 1.0 marker for this project. Now we're going to go ahead and center these up. We're going to make sure that the layers are attached and centered so that when we send it to the cutting machine, it draws and cuts on the same piece of paper. So after I center this up and make sure it's lined up, I'm going to go ahead and hide by clicking that eyeball on the right hand side under layers, and we're going to just hide that template. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going to go ahead and click next, and we want to change the mat here because we're going to be using the on-card mat. This is the 2x2 mat that we have here. We're going to make sure that the size matches the cards, 4.25 by 5.5. And then we're going to want to select the cutaway card and backer choice here under materials. These are the cutaway cards that I picked. We're going to use this pastel colors, and it has an iridescent backer card with it. So to start, you just remove the protective film from the adhesive, and you're going to put the backer card face down, line it up, and just press down to adhere it. And then you lift the top layer of the card mat and you insert the back piece onto the card mat and press it down. Make sure you insert your marker, and then you just watch the magic. Carefully remove the card. The mat is adhesive, so you have to be careful in removing it, but as you can see, it only cut the top layer and reveals the backer card underneath. I find that the Cricut tweezers work best for weeding these little pieces that we cut. As you can see, it just cut the very top layer. When you open it up, the backer card is untouched, and it looks really great with the added text. So there you have it. I hope you like this project, and be sure to subscribe, like, and follow for more. Thanks for watching.